Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing from Next, and it is the little Discoveries box. Inside contains 4 pampering treats, has a value of around £63 and can be purchased for £18. I've not long uploaded another Next beauty box. Currently they have over 20 different beauty boxes on their website, so you'll find links to this one as well as all the others down below in my description, as well as a big list of offers and discount codes for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running on Instagram, for instance. So you'll find it all listed down there. So yes, well, I really like this for one reason and one reason only, because I'm a candle obsessive, and I'll show you why. It's a well-known candle and I've got loads of them but I go through them like anything. Little sneak peek first. I'll show you the candle. It's by Neom. Scent to de-stress, lavender, jasmine and Brazilian rosewood. Now these are known as little travel size candles, and this alone is worth around £16, which is not bad considering the box is £18. Oh, I love it. I've already got one behind me, but it doesn't matter because I will go through them, definitely. Oh, I love it. I just think they're so smart. They just look lovely, and yeah, really nice strong scent. Then Rituals, Ritual of Sakura, which I really like as well. This is a Magic Touch body cream, rice milk and cherry blossom, and there's 70 mils there. Ritual of Sakura, I think, is my favourite range of all the Ritual different ranges. I love the Ritual of Jing as well, but yeah, this one is beautiful. Really, really nice. I've just recently had a full-size shower gel in an ASOS beauty box, and now I've got a body cream as well. So there's that. Then we have got a deep sleep pillow spray by This Works, and there's 35 mils. It's an alright spray. I have got favourites. I love the Ritual of Jing, actually, by Rituals. It's a beautiful green bottle as well. It's a glass bottle. It is really nice. The scent is nice. I've got lots of different pillow sprays that I use and I share with my daughter. But yeah, this is alright. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright, but there's others that I would go for first then, you know. And then lastly, we've got perfume. This is by Floral Street. I love the packaging. I love the bottle design, it's so pretty. This is Arizona Bloom, and there's 10 mils here. Eau de Parfum. Can you see the bottle? It's so, so nice. I'm not sure if I've smelt this one before. Oh my god. What is Arizona Bloom? There's something nice in it, but I wouldn't wear it. It smells like farms. What is it that smells like farms? I got nothing against farms. I got friends that own farms. I got friends that work on farms. No prejudice against a farm at all. But would any of you like a perfume that smells like farms? Oh, what is it? Oh, do you know what it reminds me of? Is it Cowshed? Cowshed. I tried a Cowshed hand cream or body lotion a couple of years ago, and it's the same smell. So Arizona Bloom, I do not like. So what is in it? I don't know. I can't describe it for you, except that it smells like farms. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't even like it when it's lingering. There's no way I'm putting that on my skin. Oh, I'm gutted. I'm absolutely gutted. Well, I'll see if my daughter will like it, but I won't want to like stand next to her. I've got a few Floral Street perfumes behind me, but yeah, no, I don't like that. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, oh, okay then, yeah, I don't particularly want to smell like farms, that's just my interpretation. My advice, as always, is to go online, go on the Next website and click on these products individually so that you get more information about it. And no doubt, under the Floral Street perfume, it'll tell you more about the scent and the top notes and middle notes and things like that, so you have an idea. Ooh, not for me. So you got a perfume. We have got a sleep spray, pillow spray. Got a body lotion. And we've got a candle. I think it's a cute little box. As with all of Next beauty boxes, I think they would make great presents for someone. But yeah, if someone gave this to me, regardless of what I think of that perfume, but if someone gave that to me as a gift, or a Mother's Day gift, for instance, if my kids saw it and they thought, oh, Mum would like that, I'd be so chuffed. I'd be really, really happy. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? How does it compare to others? Do you like the Next boxes? Or do you think, nah, they could do a lot better? All your thoughts and opinions. I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.